Hi everybody, welcome back to Pulsate for the last of our three-part series on our newest piece of equipment, the skill mill. We've taken you through 2 videos so far, showing you the basics. Now is the time to ramp it up a little bit, show you the cool stuff, a few more exercises to get you going on our newest piece of kit. Let's go. Okay, so in the last video we showed you a low sled push where your shoulders were into the kit and we were pushing back behind us. We're taking that a step further now to increase our power, working strongly on our lower body for 2-foot jump squats. Resistance needs to be 4 or 5 on the belt. This is going to be tough on that lower body. Let's give it a go. Okay, and then to take that on a little bit further, increasing the intensity, why not try a single leg version of that one? Okay guys, so in the first 2 videos, we've taken you up from a walk into a light jog into a run. This time we're taking it up to the full sprint. Great for all of you who are playing sports or games. This is going to be high intensity, high speed, low resistance on the belt. Be careful. Let's see what we can do. Okay, so now for something a little bit more unexpected. We're going to be working on our upper bodies this time. That means our feet are off of the kit for this one. Hands are going to go on the belt. We're going to be working on our shoulders and our upper backs. Hands down on the belt, resistance to about halfway. You're going to be dragging the belt towards you. Let's see what we can do with this one. Okay, so for our next one, we're going to be challenging our core muscles. We're going to be doing a pike position. That means our hands are going to be off of the kit and our feet are going to be on the end of the belt. This one's quite tough, but you're going to get a great core workout from this one. Let's have a go. Okay, so far we've been doing a lot of forward and back movements. We want to go side to side to prepare those muscle groups, particularly our side core muscles and around the hip region as well. So why not try some 2-foot lateral hops to complement those exercises? Okay guys, there's your last installment of our skill mill series. We hope you've got loads of ideas to try on our newest piece of kit. Come and find us in the gym team for any more advice and we look forward to seeing you have a go.